Hi, Seal Room. We are going to read Pete the Cat, Five Little Pumpkins. We read this during Zoom, but I figured if you had a video, you could read along because you all have this book in your package. We love Pete the Cat books. They're really fun to read and listen to because he usually has songs with them. And we love the Five Little Pumpkins song. We listen to it a lot throughout this season. It's very short and simple and very catchy, so children tend to love it. Five Little Pumpkins. Sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Then, woo, went the wind, and out went the lights. And the five little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Happy Halloween. They're going trick-or-treating. The end.